Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mrs. DLC, and let's give a shout out to the delivery guys because guess what I got today? I received the Coach 48. I know that's what's in this box, and we're going to unbox it today. So let's take a look. And while we're doing this, I want you to consider something. Consider subscribing to my channel. I do plenty of videos. I'm on my journey to the 100 videos and 100 subscribers. I'm about halfway there with the subscribers and nearly at 100 videos. So that is my goal for the first 100 videos. So here we are. There's a little, see the little sticker here, but here is the post bag. And it is in, let's take it out so you can see it. Have the little card here, Coach. And woo, she's a doozy. It's here. She is a dude. Is this right side up? Okay. So the bag is like this, the dust bag, but the bag is this way. So it is packaged to the side. Kind of weird for me. Didn't they have a bigger bag that would go up that way? But it's okay. It's okay. So, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here she is. Here she is, guys. All right. All right. I went with the Marlowe for the Empire 48. And the cameras do not do this bag justice. I feel like I've said that for all of the Empires that I've received, but this one, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to pack her. Because while she is bigger than the 4840, it's for me. It is not that big. I love big bags. Look at me. I can hide behind the bag. All right. Look at there. I love it. Love the color. I do love, 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 love it. Let me grab a pair of scissors here. I'm not going to take all of them, but I'll take some of it off. You know what? My first Empire was the honey brown. You can probably see that in the camera here. The honey brown one. And I ordered it from the Coach website, but I'm sure it was used because it didn't have all of the packaging on the bag. But I was so excited. I just kept it anyway. And you see the branding for the leather here, full grain leather. Take more of this off. And I know lots of people settle for the 40, but I am really going to get into this 48. Isn't she beautiful? Look at her. She's even matching my braids today. So happy, happy, happy with her. I will do another video on what fits in this bag. All right. Well, yes, please subscribe and like this video. And as the Apostle Paul said in 1 Thessalonians 5:11, encourage one another and build each other up. And we'll see you in the next video.